Welcome to the Genius ERP University Management System. Visit www.geniuserp.com and log in with your provided username and password. As you enter your username and password and click on the Sign In button, you will come to this page. Today, we will see the Student Management module in detail. Now, come to the Student Master List. Here you can see the student admission listing. From here, you can get a printout of the student admission listing. From here, you can export the student details to an Excel sheet. The admin also gets the existing student listing from here. Under the quick search icon, you will find the student information as needed. For example, let's write the student ID 232 here, then click on the quick search button. You will then get the student admission list according to the student ID. If the admin wants to view the results of all semesters for an individual student in one place, it is also possible. For example, here you have to enter the student ID, then click on the quick search button. Here, you have to click on the transcript report button. Here you can see the student transcript report. You can also take a printout of the student transcript report by clicking on the print button. Now, come to the Add Student/Student List section. Here you can see the student thematic semester listing. Here you can see the quick search icon, where you can search the student list through student ID, program, batch, student name, mobile number, email. By clicking on the Import Student button, you can easily add students by just uploading the Excel sheet. Click here to download the student import file format. From here, you have to select the academic year, periodic semester, shift, program category, program, thematic semester, name of sponsor, sponsorship type, batch. Attach the Excel sheet here. Firstly, click on the Verify button to verify the sheet details, and then click on the Submit button. From here, you can export the student details to an Excel sheet. To add a new student, click on the New Student Admission button. Under the Official Details section. From here, you have to select Student Status, Academic Year, Date of Application, Enrolled Date, Enroll Semester, Program, Periodic Semester, Shift, Program Category, Program, Batch, Thematic Semester, Expected Completion Date, Entry Level, Sponsorship Type, Name of Sponsor. Here enter the sponsor number. According to your requirement, select Yes or No for the OVC support letter. Here you have to enter prefix, GR number, student ID, add admin ID, roll number, UID, RFID. Then click on the Submit button. Under the Personal Details section, enter all the personal details here. Then click on the Submit button. Under the Contact Details section, enter all the contact details here. Click on the Copy to Permanent Address button if the details are the same, and then click on the Submit button. Under Next of Kin Details section, here enter all the next of kin details. Then click on the Submit button. Under the Academic Details section, here enter all the academic details. Then click on the Submit button. Under Work Experience section, here, enter all the work experience details. Then click on the Submit button. Under Fee Settings section, select Fee Structure. Select Fee Concession. Then click on the Submit button. Under Bank Details section, here you have to enter bank name, branch name, account no, IFSC code. Then click on the Submit button. Under Other Facilities section, here, select the checkboxes for the facilities that the student wants and click on the Submit button. Under the Upload Documents section, upload all the necessary documents here that are required, and then click on the Submit button. Under the Login Credentials section, set the login credentials for the student and click on the Submit button. Under Module Exemption section, here, enter all the details. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the Applicant Form section. The students can generate OTPs for online admission forms through mobile numbers or email IDs and fill out the online admission form. Now come to the applicant list. Here you can see the applicant list. From here you can search the applicant list or reset the applicant list. From here you can export the applicant list to an Excel sheet. Here you can see the quick search icon, where you can search the applicant listing through application number, class, applicant name, mobile number, and email. When the student clicks on the link should be open. Here they have to enter the CAPTCHA code here and click on the Verify button. The student will get the online admission form. The student can fill out the form here, and the details will be automatically uploaded to the software. The admin will also take a printout of the empty form by clicking on this button. Under Applicant List Report, here you can see the applicant report list. From here, you can search for applicant reports or reset the applicant report. You can also export the applicant report list from here to an Excel sheet. Here you can see the quick search icon, where you can search the applicant report list by application number, email, applicant name, or register mobile number. For example, here the admin selects the class, then clicks on the search button, and you can see the applicant report list according to the class you select. Now, come to the Student Multiple Update section. In this section, you can get multiple student data updates. From here, you have to select the periodic semester, shift, class, semester, section. Select the update field for which you want an update. Then click on the search button. Here you can see the updated student details. Here, you can also reset the updated details of the student. Then click on the Update button. Now come to the Alumni Student List section. From the Alumni Student List option, you can eliminate or drop out students from the current year. Here you can see the quick search icon, where you can search the applicant report list by GR number, program, batch, applicant name, or register mobile number. Select the academic year. Select shift. Select the program. Select the thematic semester. Select the batch. Select the eliminate/dropout. Select the date and click on the search button. Select the students you want to eliminate or drop out. Now click on the Eliminate Dropout button. Under the Eliminate Student List section, you will get an updated list of eliminate and dropout students. You can export the Eliminate Student List from here. From here, you can search the Eliminate Dropout Student List or reset the Eliminate Dropout Student List. Here you can see the quick search icon, where you can search the Eliminate Dropout Student List by GR number, program, batch, applicant name, or register mobile number. Now come to the Certificate section. Under Certificate Type section, we have a special feature for generating online certificates of various types like Default, Bonafide Template 1, Bonafide Template 2, Transfer Certificate, Attempt Certificate, NOC Certificate. You can also export the certificate type list from here. You can add new certificate names by clicking the Add Certificate Type button. Enter the certificate type name here. For example, let's write a sport certificate here. Enter the prefix here. For example, let's write SC here. If you want to show the fee outstanding, then click on the checkbox. Now, click on the Submit button and the certificate type list should be updated. Under the View Template section, here you can customize different templates for various certificate types. You can also export a custom certificate listing in an Excel sheet. To create a template for a certificate type, click on the Add New Custom Certificate button. Here, you have to select the certificate type. Then enter all the necessary details here. Then click on the Submit button. Under the Generate Certificate section. From here, you can generate certificates for students and employees. Select the type of certificate you want. Here, you have to select the certificate for. Let us select the student here. Select the certificate issue date. Select the program. Select the thematic semester. Select the batch. Here you will get the Generate and Issue Certificate list. When you click on the View button, you can view the certificate. You will also take a printout copy of the certificate by clicking on the Print button. To issue the certificate, click on Issue Certificate. Under Issued Certificates list. Here, select the certificate type. Select a certificate for the student or lecturer. Let's select the student. You will get Student Issued Certificates details. Under the Student Certificate section. Here you can search for the particular or selected student certificate. Here select the periodic semester, shift, program, thematic semester, batch, student. Click on the search button. Then click on the certificate button. Here you can see the certificate, and you will also take a print of the certificate. Now come to the Student Reports section. Under the Admission Report section. Here you have. Select the periodic semester. Select the program. Select the thematic semester. Select the batch. Then click on the search button. Select the student details according to that information, and you will get the student report. Here, you will find a list of all new admissions for that periodic semester, available in either graphical or data view. Under the Student GR Report section. Select the periodic semester. Select the program. Select the thematic semester. Select the batch. Select Value for Filter. Select the Enroll semester. Select the student details. Then click on the Search button. You will get a list of students' GR reports. You can export student GR reports from here, and you can also take a printout of the student GR report from here. Under Student Credential Details Reports section. Here you have to select the periodic semester. Select the shift. Select the program. Select the thematic semester. Select the batch. Then click on the Search button. You will get a list of Student Credential Details Reports. You can also take a printout of the Student GR report from here. Under Applicant Reports section. Here you have to select the program. Then click on the Search button. You will get a list of applicant reports. Or you can reset the applicant report list from here. From here, you can export the applicant report by clicking on the Student Export button. Here you can see the quick search icon, where you can search the list of applicants through the program. Now come to the Parents-Faculty Meetings section. Admin schedule parent-faculty meetings from here. You can also export the Parents-Faculty Meeting listing in an Excel sheet by clicking on the Export Parents-Faculty Meeting button. Here you can see the quick search icon, where you can search the Parents-Faculty Meeting list by program, title, or description. To schedule a meeting, click on the Add Parent-Faculty Meeting button. Here, you have to select Teacher, Periodic Semester, Shift, Program, Batch, Student, Meeting Date. Enter the title of the meeting here. Add a description for the meeting. Click on the Submit button, and the meeting will be scheduled. Under Promoted Student List section. From here you can promote the student from one semester to next semesters from the same program. Select the periodic semester. Select the shift. Select the program. Select the thematic semester. Select the batch. Then click on the Search button. Here you can see the Promote Student list. Click on the checkbox of the student you want to promote. From here you have to select Periodic Semester. Select the thematic semester. Select the batch. Then click on the Promote Student button and the student will be promoted to next semester. From here you can export Promote Student List. Here you can see the quick search icon, where you can search the list of Promote Student through GR number, applicant name, or mobile number. Under Promoted Student section. From here you have to select the shift. Select the program. Click on the search button. And here you can see Promoted Student List. From here you can reset the Promoted Student List. From here you can export Promoted Student List. Here you can see the quick search icon, where you can search the list of promoted student through GR number, applicant name, or mobile number. Thank you for watching the video.